You are one step away to getting your videos recommended by YouTube. You need just one thing. Yes, I mean one thing, and you are going to do that thing in a few minutes. Welcome to YouGrowth YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be walking you through the process, the step-by-step guide you need to follow to start getting your videos recommended and suggested by YouTube. Yes, a lot of people have been complaining that YouTube have not been recommending my videos. I have almost give up. I'm giving up already. All these things are what I've heard people saying. Some are confused. Some even think that YouTube does not like them, and which is not so. All you have to do is just one thing. Yes, all you have to do is just one thing. But before we get into that, please, if this is your first time here, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on the notification notes so that whenever I upload a video, you will never miss it. So let's get started. Notes: before we get started, please note that we are not going to be using the YouTube app here. Yes, we are not going to be using the YouTube app. What we are going to be using is a browser. So if you have Chrome or you are an iOS user, you can use your Safari. So let's go. I'm going to be using Chrome here. So when you get to your browser, type studio.youtube.com. Don't make mistake, please. Studio.youtube.com. So open it. So this is a new channel I created just of recent. I have other channels, but I recently created this. As you can see, we have 0 subscribers. What are we going to do? Because I don't want to waste your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. The next thing we are going to be doing here is tap on this setting icon. So as you can see here, tap on channel. So you can see we have 3 options here, or we have many options here. Now, basic, advanced, features. So all these things are need to be set. You must, or you might possibly have set it already. If not, they are also important, but that is not where we are going. Please take note of them very well. They are very important, and this is where we are going to. This particular channel that I created is YouTube tutorial guide, and what I did here are 2 things. I told you that we are going to be doing just one thing. Yes, this is all we are going to be doing, and please do take note of it very well. Now you can see I'm in the YouTube guide niche, or YouTube tutorial niche. So what I have to do is the keywords. Your keywords must be relevant to your niche. That is what I did. All the keywords that I provided here, they are all relevant to my niche. So you can see monetization strategy, video marketing, content creation, audience engagement, and let's leave. So you can see the many keywords that were added here. You can add as much as possible until they reach 500 characters. As you can see here I can still add more, just a bit more, until it reach 500. You cannot add anything that exceed 500, so it must be limited to 500. Now one thing you must take note is that even after adding some related relevant keywords, I still did another thing that is very important for you to know. What is that? I try to add the names of channels that are doing well in this niche. Yes, popular channels that are doing well in this niche. That same thing you must do in whatsoever niche you are or you want to go to. The names of channels that are doing well in that niche, make sure that you add them. Just like what we have here, we have Dara Eves, we have Vanessa Law, we have Think Media, we have Catherine Manning, we have Roberto Blake, we have Brian G. Johnson TV. Look at them carefully. All these things you have to do them. Now, how do you find these people? How do you find the popular people in your niche? Follow me and let me walk you through this.
Oh my.
So this is the YouTube homepage. As you can see, this is the YouTube homepage. Now let me search for one thing. Let's say I'm in the YouTube tutorial niche. Now let me show you how to get 1000 You can see how to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours fast. Now, see what we have. So kindly take a look at the channels we have here. You can see Video IQ. That's a very popular channel in my niche. It's a very popular channel in my niche, which I can use its name as a keyword at my end. So I can choose it right now. I can copy the name, then go and enter it in the keyword space at my end. So let me search for other related keywords. I'm going to search for other related keywords after this. So this is another related keyword. How to get subscribers, watch hours, something like that. You can see these are the people in my niche according to the keywords that I see. How to get public watch hours. So how to get 4,000 watch hours. You can see. Look at Vibe with Sonia. Vibe with Sonia. She is very popular in my niche, and I can copy her name as a keyword, and I can go and add it in my end. So whenever people are searching for how to get 4,000 watch hours, because this woman is in my niche and she is a very popular person, automatically the YouTube algorithm might pick my video. So this is one of the important ways in which YouTube recommends channels. And I'm going to add her name. I'm going to add Vibe with Sonia. I'm going to add it because she's a very important person in my niche. She's very important in my niche. So now let me go back to my newly created YouTube channel. So I've opened it here. And I'm going to add Vibe with Sonia and Video IQ to it. I may add others as well. This is another person that I'm just adding right now. This is another person in my niche that is a very popular person. So when people search for his name, they search for something related to the topic that is being provided on his channel, then YouTube will automatically or may automatically recommend one of my videos that has similar topic. Do you understand that? This is a lot helpful. It is very, very helpful, and it will help your channel. It will help it to grow in shortest time possible. If only you are not in haste and follow everything that has been provided in this video. These are very important for you to follow. You must follow them. So after you've added them, one thing is very crucial. It is very, very important, and that is for you to save them. Ensure that you tap on that save button, because if you don't tap it, then it is a waste. It is waste of time, because it is only when you tap on that save button, then everything you've added here will be saved in your. So after you've successfully done this, then you are good.